there was one side that has to be connected to the curved one. This is curved aluminum frames. And the door stops has to be put in. Then I put another side of the curved frames, and first click into the glass panel. Then I have to be put the screws into connections. And again, it's door stops. The door stops. We need on the floor something cardboard to protection of the glass. This one has to be on the floor. We're gonna install the door, the sliding doors in first. And I put the wheels in first. Take the cover out. All of the cover have to out first.